Hello, welcome to Academiq School. Well, are you looking for new and creative ways to make learning more engaging? Do you want to explore how academic tools can enhance your assignments and activities? Along with, how you can implement what you're learning in real life so that, the learning stays with you for a long time? If yes, then introducing the Academiq for Students ideas. That's right. Now, this tool helps you discover innovative, creative, engaging ways to use Academiq Students tool in your studies, making learning more interactive and effective. To access this outstanding tool, all you need to do is you have to look for this tool named Academiq for Students ideas. Once you click on it, all that you have to do is you have to select your, grade level. So let's say you're in 7th grade. And now in the second one, description of assignment. So let's say I'm a student who struggles in implementing the learning from social science. I don't know how to remember the history stuff and everything else. So here, I'm going to seek help for that. Remembering the history being taught in social studies. All right, that's all. Now I'm going to click on generate. I've clicked on generate and I wait for it to list down some ways, some interesting ways using which the learning of history stays with me, so that I'm not I just don't follow the rote learning method that learning, remembering, and forgetting after a while. And here we are. It has listed me some amazing ways, like students can create time capsules. Okay, that's right. It can include artifacts, letter, that's right. Oh, then we have the history, TikTok and Instagram, virtual field trips, historical figure interview. Wow, amazing. I hope you can see that how many ideas it has given me, right? So unlock the new possibilities in learning with this fantastic tool named Academiq for Students Ideas at Academiq School. Happy exploring.